it's John Wick from Fortnite, and we have a box of 2018 Topps High Tech that we're going to open. We just got back from trick-or-treating, and we were pretty successful. Now let's see if we are as successful on the box. I also have this cool boogie bomb, but the battery ran out while we were trick-or-treating. We will get 40 cards and 2 autographs. My favorite cards, so a little bit different background this year. Pretty cool. Brian Dozier, Scott Kingery rookie card, Will Clark, Sandy Alcantara rookie card, Jordan Montgomery, Brandon Woodruff rookie card, Zach Cozart, Walker Buehler rookie card, Didi Gregorius, Scott Kingery, red, numbered out of 10. So that one's pretty cool, like the red. Then we have Hank Aaron green, numbered out of 99. Byron Buxton. Wonder what's different about this card that makes it numbered out of 50. Still a pretty cool card though. Numbered out of 99, Francisco Mejia rookie card. Then we have our first autograph, Justin Smoke. So that's pretty cool. And then our second autograph is numbered out of 75, Carson Kelly. Then Mookie Betts, numbered out of 150. Zach Cozart. Ozzie Albies rookie card. Francisco Lindor. Sandy Alcantara. Nomar Garcia? Something like that. Randy Johnson. Jim Thome, Jordan Luplow, cards keep sliding onto the autographs, Jose Altuve, Keon Broxton, Sandy Koufax, Jose Canseco, Jack Flaherty rookie card, Reggie Jackson, Aaron Altair, Bernie Williams, Jordan Montgomery, Tommy Pham, Roger Clemens, different and cooler background, Ozzie Albies, got a Chance Cisco like the Roger Clemens, so that's pretty cool. Hank Aaron rookie card. A nice Aaron Judge. And then Darryl Strawberry. So it was pretty cool. Our autographs were nice. Justin Smoke and Carson Kelly. Carson Kelly was numbered. So that was a pretty good box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed Halloween. Signing out for now. See ya!